Hey there, people. How's it going? Today, what we're going to be talking about is the Brillo Basics reusable wipes. Yeah, now I use these faithfully. They are very good. What they are really strong, hefty wipes. Okay, this is the pack. This is how they look. And they are almost like using a washcloth. I mean, really, it's very thick and very strong, and you can reuse them over and over again. I started using these about 4 years ago. I started using them to the inside of my car with, to like scrub it down, when I'm detailing it, and getting in there with 409 or whatever cleaning products I'm using. And you can wet them, wet them, and wring them out like a rag and keep going. You can use it for the outside of the car too, because it's really, really soft. So it won't scratch or, do any damage to your paint. It's really good. I mean, and they're fairly big, They lay out pretty well. They will outdo any paper towel. I mean, you will get a lot of use out of these. I mean, a lot. In one pack, there comes 12 of these. So if you're reusing these over and over again and you already got 12, just take a guess how long you're going to be having just this one pack. And it's very, very, very cheap. Not very expensive at all. They do well. They really do. I mean, they're good for cleaning just about anything in your home. You can wash dishes with them. You can do like the bathroom, especially the bathroom. I mean, like all the sinks and bathtub and the tiles and stuff like that. It's really, really good and really, really a godsend, because it's kind of a hassle to actually have to keep ripping off a whole new sheet of paper towel or anything like that to clean the things that you need to clean. It's nice to be able to do, when this gets saturated or something, to be able to just dunk it in the water and wring it out like it's a wash rag and just keep going. It's good. I mean, I like that a lot. It's great to have a product like that, and that's fairly big. Yeah, I remember one day I used just 2 of these on the outside of my car, one for one side and one for the other, and I even got the tires with them. Yeah, and everybody knows, like, if you're trying to like scrub down rims on your car, it's kind of tough getting in all the crevices and everything, and sometimes you need to use some kind of a tool or something to get into all the cracks and everything. But this did it. This got in there really well and stayed strong. Didn't even rip, and I was very happy with it. Yeah. I remember the first time I used it a long time ago, I really didn't think it was going to do well, because, I mean, when you touch it, I mean, it feels very soft. So I'm like, oh, this is like cotton just mushed together. It's probably going to tear any minute as soon as I get it wet. But no, this thing got really strong and it went to work. It did very well. Yeah, I like it a lot. I like it. I wish it was like, I like these. No, I'm not saying I don't like these, but as an improvement or anything like that, it would be nice to have something that was like towel size, like really, really big, to dry the car after you're washing. I mean, you can use this and wring it out, but if it was like you had like a choice to buy a really big one, you know, and like if it was a towel, you could really get that car cleaned very fast and dry very quick. You had it like that. But you know, hey, at least we have these. This is really good, and you get 12 of them in one pack. It's very cheap. I know a lot of people who use it. Actually, how I started using it was through a friend of mine. I saw it at his place when he was cleaning his balcony. It was something I said, hey, what is that? It's like fancy towels. This is the thickest paper towel I've ever seen. He said, oh no, look at this. And he turned me on to it. So, you know, I've been using it ever since. It's a good deal. It really is. All right, guys. Well, that's the Brillo Basics reusable wipes. Hope you get a lot of use out of them. Okay, guys. Hope you use this information. I'll talk to you soon. All right. Bye-bye.